Is the purpose of tour press to get more people to the show, or is it to get people to review the show?
I would say both, because
Okay.
you want to sell tickets because you want to be able to be invited back to that venue and hopefully play a bigger venue the next time you come to town.
Yeah.
So tickets is a big portion of that. But also we want to be able to get press that shows that we had a great live show. So people will want to come out the next time we're in town. So it's a little bit of both, but sometimes it's just as simple as like, maybe we'll get some more followers on social media, or maybe we'll get some more streams on Spotify. Maybe someone couldn't attend our show, but they read the great review and they were like, oh, I'll check this band out on Spotify.
Cool.
And then also we'll do stuff with some morning TV.
Okay.
But morning TV it depends on the type of band you are. A death metal band's not going to be on a morning television show.
Okay.
So you have to know like the time slot you're aiming for and if they even do music. Not everybody has like a musical performance on their morning TV show, but the ones that do, we definitely try to target that.